Hey cool crafters, I'm Tiffany Windsor, and I want to announce the Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon. Now this is coming up on October 23rd, 24th, and 25th. And when you purchase your pass to this event, here is what you are going to get. Access to over 16 live and pre-recorded workshops featuring quick projects, crafting tips, tricks, and techniques. Q&As with instructors and sponsors, a chance to win dozens of fabulous giveaways and door prizes from the sponsors, a Facebook group where you can get to know other attendees, ask questions, and share your projects. You will have access to the workshops after the live event so that you can rewatch whenever you want. There is a chat room during each live workshop so you can ask questions of the teachers and chat with other attendees. You will also have the opportunity to purchase workshop kits from the instructors before the event so that you can craft along. So if you want to craft along with me, my kit is this Winter Wonderland snowflake garland. So I put together kits for you to be able to craft along. And this is a really easy project. So this is going to be fun to craft with you. Over the next few days, I'm going to be inviting other Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon teachers onto the YouTube channel so that they can show you what they are going to be teaching during this event. If you are interested, head on over to cool2craft.com and click on classes. That's in the menu at the top of the website. When you're on that page, you are going to see step 1 is reserve your spot for the Craft-a-Thon. And be sure to use my affiliate link for your early bird special pricing. Now, this provides you access to the entire event. Step 2, if you're interested in creating my garland project, you can click on my link so that you can pre-purchase my kit. The Bella Crafts Holiday Craft-a-Thon is all about bringing people together through creativity. I hope to see you there. I'm Tiffany Windsor, and I think it's cool to craft.